Okay guys, first thing, in the last class I forgot to mention that you have to come and confirm your email on about PayPal, okay? You will receive an email from PayPal to confirm your email address. Make sure to click on here to confirm your email, all right? Before adding any credit card, because it will, if not, it will not allow you to add a credit card or debit card in your account, okay? That's the first thing you must do. So after you do that, and after you add a credit card or a debit card into your account, it will show it like this, okay? You still have to confirm your card, but this is not necessary in order to create the eBay store and in order to run the eBay store. The eBay store can be run already without confirming your card, okay? But in any case, you will be receiving some kind of if you click on here on confirm your card, it will show you that want to use your PayPal account with no spending or withdrawal limits, confirm your card, okay? So when you click here, PayPal will send a sample card statement to your credit card balance, and you will be checking that in the next coming days, okay? So you will have to check for this code that comes in the statement, and that is the code that you are going to have to set here on PayPal. Yeah, it should appear in your card statement within 1 or 2 business days, okay? So once you get that in your credit card balance, you have to come back here and enter the code to confirm your card, okay? Then you will have your card finally linked to your PayPal account, okay? But that was not really necessary in order to create the eBay store, and that's what we are going to do on the next class. And I think that's all for now, because yeah, PayPal is setting up a PayPal account was pretty easy, as you can see, and we already made it. You can lift your account limits, which is also very interesting, okay? It's good not to have any limits in your account, so you can just, oh, all right, they ask you first to confirm your credit or debit card. You also can add a bank account instead of a credit card or a debit card. You also can add a bank account, and it could work in the same way, all right? It's not necessary to have a credit or debit card. It can be a bank account, okay, linked to your account, but it's important that there is some kind of payment linked to your PayPal account, okay? Because eBay will ask for that on the next class. You will see that, all right? So having said all of this, let's go to the next class and let's finally create our eBay store.